My question is to you, just, it's, you know, rhetorical, but I'm putting it in your plate. What are you doing with your time? What do you want? Are your actions aligning with your priorities? Are you moving in the direction you want to go? You don't know when your time is. What are you waiting for? Quit making excuses. Be willing to call yourself on your own bullshit. Know what your own bullshit is. Get your ego out of the way. I know if you watch the news, the media, the entertainment, it all looks like it's all about ego and who's got the biggest boobs and who's sleeping with who and la 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 la. No, you want a career? Then do the work.